Hi guys, this is Anil Vishoi and you're watching me on my channel Passionate World. If you are watching our video for the first time and have not subscribed our channel, do subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Whenever we will upload the video, you will get the notification. Friends, in previous videos we have discussed many synonyms. I hope you people are practicing at home. The more you will practice, the more is the chances that you will remember the synonyms and it will help you in your exam day. Today we will discuss few more synonyms. So let's start today's discussion. Hard, tough or strong. Hate, abhor or despise or abominate. You can write all of the three. Hazard, accident or chance or danger. Hear, listen or perceive. Hesitate, dubious or waver or pause. Honor, repute or probity or glory. Hopeful, optimistic, horrible, frightful, awful or appalling. Hospitality, sociability or cordiality. Humble, gentle or complain or meek. Humorous, humor, amusement, drollery or fun. Hypocrisy, deceit or pretense or falsify. Idle, vain or indolent or innocuous. Ignorance, illiteracy or unexplored. Eminent, impending, impartial, neutral or unbiased or fair. Impertinence, forwardness or assurance. Possible, out of reach or practicable. Increase, enlargement or extension. Interior, lower, lesser minor. Ingenuous, innocent, inherent, congenital or ingrained. Innocent, blameless or guiltless. Insanity, aberration, madness or frenzy. Sufficient, deficient or scanty. Intensify, aggravate or heighten. Intolerance, bigotry or prejudice. Irregular, uneven or disorderly. Irritate, annoy or anger. Jealous, covetous or envious. Job, task or responsibility. Jolly, merry or spirited or jovial. Judgment, verdict. Luxury, extravagance or dainty. Manner, custom or conduct. Melody, symphony or harmony. Mercy, pardon or benevolence. Miscellaneous, assorted or mingled. Misfortune, adversity or reverse. Modern, recent or current or new. Modesty, backwardness or timidity. Mystery, secret or concealed. In the other side we will discuss few more synonyms. Friends, coming to this side, narrow, cramped or contracted. Necessary, essential or needful. Neglect, disregard or oversight. Neighbor, adjacent or dweller. Nervous, hesitant, shaky or afraid. nimble, active or prompt or swift, notorious, disreputable or infamous, obligatory, necessary or imperative, obscene, lewd or vulgar or foul, obscure, doubtful or muddy or dim, obsolete, discarded or extinct, operation, action or performance, optimist, hopeful or confident, optional, voluntary or elective, pacify, appease or mitigate or compose, partial, unfair or interest, passion, love or motion or fervor, patience, endurance or fortitude, peculiar, strange or odd or unusual, persuade, allure or lead or coax, peril or danger or threat, pleasant, delicious or welcome, plentiful, abundant or teeming or ample, polite, elegant or polished or urban, dominant, prominent or ruling, premature, unreasonable or early, prevailing, predominant or controlling, privilege, right or favor, probable, credible or possible, prohibit, ban or prevent or disallow, prominent, conspicuous or distinctive, protect, shield or guard or preserve, persuade, prosecution or avocation, radical, basic or complete or entire, rapidity, velocity or haste or speed, rashness, imprudence or indiscretion, rebellion, mutiny or revolt or agitation, reluctant, unwilling or averse, remedy, cure or malady, renounce, abandon or revoke. So with this, it came to the end of this video. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up, do share with your friends and help them improve the synonyms, and do practice it. The more you practice, the better it will be for you in the exam hall. So whatever I have taught till now, you continuously revise it and practice it. It will help you. Thank you very much.